Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, obviously we're going to open up settings. Now I will point out that I am not signed into iCloud, so I don't need to do anything, but in normal circumstances you would be signed into iCloud, and when going into, I believe it's general, and then selecting transfer or reset iPhone, you'll select erase all content and settings, and this would then force you to sign out of your iCloud. But because I'm not signed into it, it just kind of goes, okay, cool, next page. From here, it gives you the amount of data that will be removed. So for me, it's 11.79 gigs. So I'm just gonna select continue, erase iPhone, and it completely disregards the fact that the device is almost dead, meaning it's running on like 10% battery life. So it begins the reset, which will take a couple minutes, so just be prepared for this. Will take a little bit of time, but once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the setup screen for our iPhone. So I'm gonna let it run through the entire process and come back once it's finished. And actually it looks like it's already finished, so that took a little bit quicker than I would have expected. So from here, you can just set up your phone however you want. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.